This is a brand new 2013 Jeep Wrangler. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a premium audio system, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, a full-length floor console, and fog lamps. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Moritz Chevrolet Chrysler Jeep Dodge is located at 9101 Camp Bowie in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.